In today's world, keeping our devices clean is more than just about appearance. It's essential for hygiene and performance. Fingerprints, smudges, and dirt not only mess with your view, but also trap bacteria, impacting the health of your screens and lenses. But what if there was an easy, portable, and effective solution to keep your devices sparkling clean whenever you need it? Introducing WaterBear, the NASA-inspired cleaning solution that fits seamlessly into your daily routine. Designed to remove smudges, grime, and bacteria with zero hassle, WaterBear ensures your devices stay pristine wherever you go. If you're tired of messy, ineffective cloths or bulky wipes, this could be the ultimate solution you've been waiting for. What is WaterBear? WaterBear is a small yet powerful cleaning patch that sticks to your phone, camera, tablet, or even glasses. It provides a convenient and effective way to clean screens and lenses without any mess. Made with a special NASA-inspired material, WaterBear uses nanocarbon technology to attract and trap dirt, oils, and bacteria. The result, instant cleaning and a crystal clear view anytime, anywhere. Its simple design ensures that you never have to worry about losing it, as it sticks to the back of your phone or camera, always within reach. No more fumbling for wipes or cleaning cloths. With WaterBear, cleaning your devices is just a peel, wipe, and stick away. How does WaterBear work? Using WaterBear couldn't be easier. The patch is designed to stick to the back of your phone, camera, or any other device, so it's always accessible when you need it. When your screen or lens gets smudged, simply peel off the WaterBear patch, wipe the surface, and stick it back in place. WaterBear is made from nanocarbon blended material, which effectively attracts and traps grime, oils, and bacteria. This means that when you wipe your device, you're not just spreading the dirt around, you're removing it entirely, leaving your device cleaner than before. Unlike traditional cleaning cloths or wipes, WaterBear does not leave any residue or mess behind. It's made to be washable and reusable, so you can rely on it time and time again without any loss of quality or stickiness. Features and benefits of WaterBear. WaterBear offers several compelling reasons why it should be your go-to cleaning tool for screens and lenses. NASA-inspired material. The unique material used in WaterBear is a breakthrough in cleaning technology used by NASA to ensure clean surfaces in space. This means it's gentle yet incredibly effective at removing even the toughest grime without scratching or damaging your device. Convenient and portable. WaterBear is small and sticky, meaning it's always with you. No more hunting for a microfiber cloth or worrying about spills and dirt on your devices while you're on the go. Antimicrobial protection. It's not just about the surface cleanliness. WaterBear's materials help kill bacteria, ensuring your device stays hygienic after each clean. This makes it perfect not only for phones, but also for cameras, glasses, and tablets that you often hold close to your face. Reusable and washable. Simply rinse WaterBear under cool water to clean it. This makes it both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Multiple sizes for all devices. WaterBear comes in different sizes, making it ideal for everything from phone screens to large computer monitors and even camera lenses. Whether you're at home or traveling, WaterBear has you covered. No residue, no stickiness. Thanks to the silicone adhesive, WaterBear can be applied and peeled off repeatedly without leaving behind any sticky residue or losing its grip. Fast and easy to use, no more complicated setups or needing extra supplies. Just peel it off, clean your screen or lens, and stick it back. It takes seconds and you're good to go. How to use WaterBear. Using WaterBear is as simple as it gets. Peel, take the WaterBear patch off the back of your device. Clean, wipe your screen or lens in a few quick, easy strokes. The nanocarbon material will attract and trap oils, smudges, and dust. Stick. After cleaning, simply stick it back onto your phone, camera, or any other device. WaterBear stays in place until you need it again. It's that simple. Whether you're on a business trip, at home, or on the go, WaterBear's portability and ease of use make it the perfect companion for anyone looking to maintain a clean and hygienic device. WaterBear pros and cons. Pros. Efficient cleaning. WaterBear is highly effective at removing oils, smudges, dust, and bacteria from screens and lenses. Easy to use. The simple peel, clean, and stick process is quick and easy, making it accessible to anyone. Portable and convenient, sticks to your device so it's always within reach whenever you need to clean. No residue. Unlike many traditional wipes or cloths, WaterBear doesn't leave any sticky residue behind. Cost effective, it's reusable and washable, which saves you money over time compared to disposable wipes or cloths. Antimicrobial, helps kill bacteria, keeping your devices hygienic. Suitable for all devices, available in multiple sizes for different screens and lenses. Cons. Not for every surface. While it works great for screens and lenses, WaterBear may not be suitable for some textured or uneven surfaces. It needs to be washed. To maintain its effectiveness, it needs to be washed regularly, though this is simple to do. Overall, WaterBear's advantages far outweigh its minor drawbacks. It's a game-changing tool for anyone who needs quick, efficient, and on-the-go cleaning for their devices. Price and where to buy WaterBear. Right now, WaterBear is available with several purchasing options. 1 pack, $17.59. 3 pack, $39.99, save 5 pack, $59. 8 pack, $79. Each pack comes with multiple WaterBear patches, ensuring that you're covered for all of your devices, and as an added bonus, free shipping is included with every order. This offer is currently available on the official website, where you can also enjoy a lifetime warranty for your WaterBear. If anything goes wrong, they'll replace it for you forever. Plus, WaterBear comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. WaterBear. Conclusion. For anyone who struggles with smudges, fingerprints, or dirt on their screens and lenses, WaterBear is a must-have. It's convenient, easy to use, and most importantly, effective at keeping your devices spotless without all the hassle. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, WaterBear makes it easy to enjoy crystal clear views of your phone, camera, or computer screen, free of smudges, grime, and bacteria. It's small, powerful, and convenient enough to be with you whenever you need it. If you're tired of dealing with bulky wipes, messy cloths, or ineffective cleaning solutions, WaterBear could very well be the product you didn't know you were missing. Order WaterBear now and never worry about dirty screens again.